remember them days when I used to hang in the club. So addicted to fame, they say it's the same as a drug. Not a lame or a scrub, no, that ain't what it was.
No way, there's salads. He can't open that door or the door will fall off because it has to be welded on.
This fucking piece of shit, bro. What's going on?
Why can't you get out the front door?
Oh man, because it's fucking broken. It falls off.
And what happened to that one? Let the viewers know. And how many miles it had on it.
Wow, we're really giving the whole. I think it's 97, and it's got a classic case of midgets knocking inside the motor.
No. I can't believe I forgot to do the most important thing of today. We need to get a pitching video.
Oh, we do need to get a fucking fishing video. That shit would be so fire. Let's do
I'm gonna put a picture of the shiner I caught.
a little gold shiner, bro. Bam, that bitch was fire. Gotta go get me a fucking coffee.
Go get one. No. LMK Motorsports wants to know if JTA Auto Specialist does E92 electrical. I told him you got that.
Hold on, E92 what?
Michael's E92 needs electrical. Electrical.
Fuck no, that's too hard to work with. I can't do that. You might take that shit to BMW, man.
To what?
You might take it to BMW.
Are you declining customer right now?
Man, this shit hard, boy. Shit ain't rocket science. Yeah.
So I opened Spotify and I see 454 drop with Denzel Curry. If you don't know about 454, let me just play a little snippet real quick.
They want the villain at the top. Tell a humble crowd that we're gonna tell you what you bought. I don't give a fuck, I sprinkle killing in my watch. I've been thinking about big bucks and how the fuck we make it out. Scheming and I'm peeling at the 740. 645 the cleaners and I just dropped 40. I just put the diamonds in my drop shorty. Drop a 2 inside the Sprite, I'm feeling fly.